How to upgrade or buy Crunchyroll Premium subscription. If you wish to upgrade or buy Crunchyroll's Premium subscription, what you have to do is to simply open your browser and go to crunchyroll.com, and this is the interface you'll be able to see. Log into the account where you'd like to purchase the membership. Then from the very top of the screen, you'll find this option that says, which is this like crown-like icon, right? So you just tap on this crown-like icon, which will take you to the membership page, where you'll be able to see a list of all the different type of plans that are available for your Crunchyroll account. So you have the fan plan, you have the yearly plan, you have mega fan, and anything as such. You can simply start your 7-day free trial, whether you want monthly or annual plan. Just select it, and on the next page you'll be able to see a list of other details where you can go ahead and then enter your card number, expiration date, security code, country, the postal code, and tap on the finish checkout button in order to cancel it. And this way you'll be able to get your Crunchyroll subscription. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.